loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a first look of some hair that I received from IShow from AliExpress. I was contacted by the company to do a hair review, so I'm thinking I'm going to make another U-part wig. This time I received shorter lengths because I did ask for shorter lengths. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do like a short bob, or I really don't know what I want to do, but I did want shorter lengths since it is a summer. It's kind of hot, so it's just too hot to wear long hair. Okay, so like I said, I received some hair from IShow, and the hair, I received 4 bundles, 2 14 inches and 2, well actually I asked for 2 16 inches and 2 14 inches, but they sent me 2 14 inches and 2 12 inches, which I'm not satisfied about that. But I'm going to go ahead and do this review anyway, and I might just do a bob because those lengths are really short to try to wear to work. I could probably wear it in a ponytail or something like that, but I'm not sure what I really want to do with the hair right now at this point. Like I said, I am going to make a U-part wig, and it is called IShow hair, and it is some nice hair so far. I haven't took it out the packaging. I took it out the packaging and I ran my fingers through one bundle of the hair, I think one of the 14 inches. So I'm going to show you that in just a second, but it came with a brochure for how to take care of the hair, how to wash the hair, and all that good stuff. So this is a brochure for IShow hair. The hair is very, very affordable. I will leave a link down below for the actual AliExpress vendor. Okay, so like I said, I got 2 12 inches and 2 14 inches. I asked for 2 16s and 2 14s. So I'm going to start off with one of the 14s. And I got Sunday over here being really bad. I'm trying to do this video while she's right here, and she just don't let me do nothing these days. I mean, seriously. Okay, so the hair came in the plastic sleeve like that. It came via DHL. It took like 2 days to get to me, which was super fast. But you know, all of AliExpress hair usually take 2 to 3 days to get to you. Okay, so this is one of the 14 inches. And the luster is like very, very beautiful, if you can see that. The color is like a 1B. And I could have sworn I asked for 2 16 inches and 2 14 inches, but this is what I got. So I'm going to go ahead and accept it. But yeah, the wefting is very, very nice. You do not see a lot of beards. The hair is just like full from the top all the way to the bottom. As you see, the ends are very, very pretty. Okay, I'm going to cut one of the 12 inches. I'm going to cut the rubber band off, and I'm going to unravel the weft. But like I said, this is the 14 inch. I'm going to go ahead and show you one of the 12 inches. And this is the 12 inch. And it kind of looked like a 10 inch to me. No, yeah, it's a 12 inch. But as you see, it is like full all the way from the top all the way to the bottom. And it's like some beautiful hair. It's like really thick. But you know, the shorter the length, the more hair you get. So you see, I do have a lot of hair, so I might not even have to use all of these bundles. I might only have to use 3 or 3.5. But I'm going to go ahead and unravel this 12 inch right here. Okay, so let me put this 14 inch back in the packaging, and I can't wait to start on my wig. I still have to co-wash the hair, and also with the hair, it came in this packaging, which is very nice, very cute, very elegant. It's like it has a little handle, and they also sent me some flexi rods, and these are like small flexi rods. It's a total of 4 of them. I'm going to go ahead and put that back in there. Put that back in there. And let's go ahead and unravel this 12-inch. So we can see how the beards look on the hair. And how it is. It looks good while it's bundled up. So let's see how good it looks when it's unraveled from the bottom. Okay. The hair, it doesn't smell too bad. It smells like typical AliExpress hair. It doesn't smell like corn chips to me. So that's a good thing. I'm going to go ahead and unravel this hair. Let's see what we got. What you doing over there? Leave all that stuff alone. Why are you so bad? Huh? What you mean you don't know? Why are you so bad, Mama? Okay, and it looked like so far that the hair is thick from the top to the bottom. And this is, I didn't even say what kind of hair this is. This is 7A Brazilian Body Wave. 7A. Okay, so I'm just unraveling, and while I'm unraveling, I'm just combing through the hair so it won't be tangled when I show you guys what it looks like. And it's pretty long, so shoot, I might not have to need 4 bundles, but look how thick the hair is from the top to the bottom. This is the 12-inch, and look how long that is, and it is folded. It is folded. Okay, so this is like 2 wefts back to back, but look how nice the hair looks. And it is a 1B. It is a nice luster, and it will be really cute once I put this at the top. I wouldn't have to curl it to shape my face because, you know, the hair is already short, but it's very nice. I can't say that. It feels really good. I don't see too many gray hairs. The wefting, I don't see too many beards, as you can see right there. But so far, so good. So I am going to make a wig out of this hair, and we're going to see how it do. I'm going to show you a video on how the wig looks. I'm not sure if I'm going to put combs in it or not. I might, because, you know, shit, it's hot, and at nighttime I don't be wanting to be sleeping with no hair on. So far so good. I really like the hair at this far. Like I said, this is the first look, and this is the unboxing. I don't know how the hair is going to act after a while, but like I said, this is 7A hair. All the hair that I ever received was either 5A or 6A, never a 7A. So we are going to see how this is going to work out for us. Okay, so I just wanted to give you that review on IShow hair from AliExpress. Very affordable hair. I will leave a link down below for a special. They started a sale on August 25th. I'm not sure how long the sale is going to last, but go ahead and check out the link down below and see how much the hair is and see how long the sale will last. And that is all I had to share with you guys today. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys real soon. Bye.